Light is a form of energy that stimulates sight and makes things visible. It can be generated by objects like sun, bulb, etc. It travels in a form of wave. It is an electromagnetic wave that can travel through vacuum also. The speed of light is so fast that it can reach Earth in just 8 minutes and 20 seconds. When light rays fall on any surface, three things can happen. Firstly, if the surface is black, all the light rays would be absorbed and converted into heat energy. Secondly, if the surface is smooth and shiny like a mirror, the light rays would be bounced back from the surface. This phenomenon is known as reflection. It is because of reflection that we are able to see various things around us. And lastly, when light rays pass from one medium to another medium, they bend. This phenomenon is known as refraction. It is because of this phenomenon that objects in water appear closer than they really are. Now let's understand few terms before understanding laws of reflection. The ray which falls from the light source on the smooth surface is the incident ray, and the ray which bounces back is known as the reflected ray. And if we draw a imaginary line perpendicular to the plane, it is known as normal. And the angle formed between this incident ray and the normal is known as I, and the angle formed between normal and reflected ray is known as R. And this angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is the first law of reflection. The second law states that the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Types of reflection. When light rays are incident on a smooth surface like a mirror, all the rays reflect in a parallel direction, and that is why we are able to see ourselves in a mirror. Such reflection is known as regular reflection. While on the other hand, when light rays strike a rough surface like a cardboard, they reflect in many directions. They do not remain parallel to each other. Such reflection is known as diffuse reflection or irregular reflection.